Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you 9 easy ways to better your performance in your computer, your gaming computer. Also, this has a lot of benefits because you're going to have a faster system. Also, you're going to increase your frame per second when you're playing games. So, my first tip that I can tell you is try to always have the latest version of your drivers. First thing is that try to download the latest version because all the companies that design those video cards for gaming or any other cards that you can play games, they always are updating the drivers for better performance for new games and features tools. So also download the drivers from directly from the vendor, so that way you have the tools for that car, so that way you can tweak and better the performance of the car depends on the game. The second tip that I can tell you is try to overclocking your car. In the past, that was something that is like it was something that people did and it was messed up the computer, but today's computer has a lot of safeguard to avoid burning your cards and fry the CPU. So you can that doesn't hurt overclocking a little bit and try to tweak based on the game that you're playing. So my third tip is to try to disable all the programs that you don't need that are running in the background. This is very important because you're going to free up memory from your computer. So there's a lot of free product right now in Google and you can search, but the first easy and free option is to go to startup and write ms config. It's MSCONFIG, like configuration, Microsoft configuration. So in this program, you can, here in the tab that called startup, if you open here and open task manager, all there's going to be a list of all the programs that are running in the background. You can disable everything. That will save you a lot of memory. Also, you can disable services also from the computer. One thing that I can mention is to click on the hide all Microsoft services to avoid any issue with Windows. But when you mark that, you can disable everything from here and your computer is going to run faster. So my fourth option, my fourth tip is to install a solid state hard drive. In the past, solid state, it was very expensive. This, I think, based on my experience as an IT manager, also a gamer, this is the best thing that you can do for your computer. So right now I did check on Amazon and there's a lot of discounts. Like right now, if you see here, the first option, I have a hard drive that is SSDs from SanDisk and it's a 6 gig SATA 3 for $60. This change, that will improve your computer like 40% more in everything that you do in that computer. This is more important than your memory. So don't get me wrong, your memory is important, but this is the heart of the computer. Like every information that you send and receive and its process is the hard drive that has more value in the process when you're working with the computer. So this is very important. If you have $60 to spend in your computer, this is a no-brainer. So One tip that I can tell you is to turn off the super fetch and also the prefetch from the services. So you're going to go and you're going to go to search and services. Services is in control panel. And you're going to disable the management manager memory management prefetch parameter, and you're going to disable it. And also you're going to disable the enable prefetch. And this computer is in a laptop, so I don't have a video card that has that option. But if your computer has those two options, you need to disable it. That will save you more time. So another thing that you can do if you don't have SSDs in your computer is to defrag and trim your hard drive. That will save you also time. And also the 8th tip that I have is to try to tweak all the option in your management tool from your car. Also disable the power saving option from control panel in the power option. This option is this is something that is good for people that has laptops that doesn't have a video or performance video card. That this apply for everything. If you want to have the best performance every time, disable that option, so that way the voltage from the computer is going to be the maximum and you have better performance. Also, if you can, one of the other tips is to have the latest video card in your computer. That is something that is expensive, and I can tell you that it depends on the video, it depends on the system, but most of the system runs very, very good. So it's your option, but yeah, that is something that you can do. Upgrade for the latest version. If you have a video card that is older than 5 years, I can recommend you to install a new video card. And one last tip that I can tell you is to try to download software that always clean your cookies and maintain clean your temporary files. Sometimes temporary files from Windows, it hurts a lot in performance. Also, most of those software like PC Tune, it will delay. It will clean all Windows temporary files, Windows updates temporary file. That it will take a lot of space in your hard drive. So guys, if you liked this content of this video, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit the like icon and match the bell icon, so that way you will not miss any video. Also, you can share this video and contact me in my social media. And guys, if any question that you have, please write me up or comment to this video, and thank you.